Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the mountain preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. First, go to Light and adjust the exposure to 0.22. Adjust the contrast to 45. Highlights to 22. Adjust shadows to 18. Whites to -100 and blacks to -62. Then slightly adjust the blue and green curves like this. Now go to color. OK, now adjust the temperature to -10. Tint -8. Vibrance 31. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, decrease the hue by -15. Increase the saturation to 42. Increase the luminance to 63. Orange, decrease the hue by -16. Increase the saturation to 15. Yellow, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -31. Green, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -95. Decrease the luminance to -90. Cyan, decrease the hue by -100. Decrease the saturation to -100. Blue, decrease the hue by -95. Decrease the saturation to -70. Purple, decrease the saturation by -100. Go to Effects, now adjust the vignette -47. Midpoint 60. Feather 75. Now let's adjust the details. Change the sharpening to 12. And color noise reduction 27. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.